Let's break down the shortcut to switching between distances. To convert correctly, you must know the order from largest to smallest. Kilometers, the big distances; meters, one big step; centimeters, the width of a finger; millimeters, the tiny lines. Line them up in that order and remember these three bridge numbers: 1,000, 100, and 10. Moving right, big to small, multiply. Moving left, small to big, divide. Let's convert 1,360 millimeters to centimeters. We are moving left, so we divide by the bridge number, which is 10. 1,360 divided by 10 gives us 136 centimeters. Now, let's convert 3.4 kilometers to centimeters. We are moving right, so we multiply. First, multiply by 1,000 to get meters, then multiply by 100 to reach centimeters. The result is 340,000 centimeters. If we have 28 meters and need millimeters, we move right again. Multiply 28 by 100 to get centimeters, then by 10 for millimeters. That gives us 28,000 millimeters. Finally, let's take 54,183,210 millimeters all the way to kilometers. We are moving left, so we divide by every bridge. Divide by 10, then 100, then 1,000. Our final answer is 54.18321 kilometers. Remember, 1,000, 100, and 10. Master that sequence and you'll never get lost in conversion again. See you in the next lesson.